Americans are experiencing prescription delays and disruptions due to a cybersecurity attack.
In our region, Essentia Health pharmacies are unable to process insurance reimbursements. In many cases, patients must now pay out of pocket for their medication.
In Northern News Now's Jack Wiedner is in studio today to explain how Northlanders are navigating this issue. Jack?
This confusion is a result of the Change Healthcare being hacked. The company halted their operations while they are addressing the breach, and as of now, their services are still down. Essentia Pharmacies use this company, Change Healthcare, to process insurance. Without Change, they can still give out prescriptions, but they must be paid for out of pocket. For some people, that's not an option. Today, I spoke to one woman who had trouble getting her thyroid medication, which she says she cannot live without.
Essentia had told me that I would be reimbursed by the insurance company later once everything got resolved. But because I go through the state, I can't pay anything out of pocket. From my perspective, I was basically stuck.
Michelle was able to get her medicine by contacting her doctor and switching to Walgreens Pharmacy instead of going through Essentia. But she says the hospital did not make that option clear. Essentia says they are aware of Michelle's case and apologize for the inconveniences she experienced. They say they are working with patients on a case-by-case basis to make sure people receive their prescriptions, including waiving upfront costs in some cases.
All right, thanks so much, Jack. Well, St. Luke's was also impacted by the Change Healthcare cyber attack. However, they're now using a different company to process insurance claims, meaning they're able to fulfill prescriptions as usual.